Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can set up and submit your UK VAT return in ERPNext. So let's start from the beginning. First, you need to go into VAT settings inside ERPNext. Here, you will select your company, add your billing contact and choose your payment method. This part is simple. It just defines which company's VAT you are going to manage. Now the important part is connecting ERPNext with HMRC. You will see fields like client ID, client secret, redirect URL, access token and refresh token. So basically, the client ID and secret are used to identify your system. The redirect URL is where HMRC will send you back after authentication. Here, you need to enter your own system URL like just we used our Zikpro URL. The access token gives temporary access to HMRC data and the refresh token helps renew that access automatically. Now once this is filled, you simply click on Authorized with HMRC. A new screen will open where HMRC asks for permission to connect your software. You will see options like viewing and changing VAT information. Just click Continue. After that, you will land on the HMRC login screen. Here you will enter your user ID and password. Since we are working in a testing environment, you can use your user credentials here. Once you log in, HMRC will again ask for permission. You just click Give Permission and your ERPNext will be successfully connected. And once you are authorized, the system will automatically generate and fill the access token and refresh token in your VAT settings. Now you will just need to make sure your UK VAT registration number field is filled correctly in this system. This step is important because HMRC uses this number to identify your business. Now we move to the return part. Go to UK MTD VAT return. Here, click on Fetch VAT Obligations. Select your frequency as quarterly. Set your date range and fetch the data. You will see different statuses like fulfilled and overdue. Open the overdue obligation to proceed. Now you will see the VAT return form with different boxes. These boxes represent standard UK VAT fields like VAT on sales, VAT on purchases, net VAT, total sales and so on. Instead of filling them manually, just click on Calculate VAT Return. ERPNext will automatically calculate everything based on your transactions and all the boxes will be filled. Before submitting, you can also view the report of this VAT return to verify all values are correct. Once you are satisfied, click on Submit to HMRC. And that's it. Your VAT return is successfully submitted. After submission, you can also check additional records. You can open UK MTD VAT liability. To see how much VAT you owe and UK MTD VAT payments. To track your payments. So this is the complete process of handling UK VAT in the ERPNext. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.